Hey y'all, today I'm going to be doing a quick little mini haul from Universal Standard. They had some mystery boxes again, and I picked up 2 this time. So if you're interested to know what I picked up, stick around. So yes, I did it again. I was suckered in by Universal Standard. This one's already been kind of mangled, but I picked up 2 of the mystery bags, not boxes this time, and I'm excited to get into them. There were 13 options this year, and I'll start inserting some different images of what options there were out there. So the 2 I decided to pick up were, I got the Surprise Me, and that was the one that's been mangled already, so hopefully what's inside is still in good shape. And that one was $98, and it was supposed to be 3 items up to 88% savings, so you don't know what you're getting, obviously, but it was the best value for the price. And of course you have no say in what you get. And then the other one I decided to get was the Essential Tees, which, you know, is basically 3 of whatever they choose for t-shirts. And that one was $58, I believe. Might have been 68, but I will insert an image of the email that came through. And this went on basically, so it's beginning of March now when I got it. This offer, I believe it was right after Valentine's Day, and there was like an 8-day window to make the purchases. So I picked up 1 within the first day or so, and then a few days later I was like, oh, let me go ahead and pick up another one, because I was really hoping to kind of do a little mini refresh on the wardrobe. And of course, what better way to do that is to just grab a whole bunch of random stuff that you have no idea what you'll be replacing. But I tend to have pretty good luck, so hopefully it stays, and these are things I'm going to want to wear, because I'm hoping to get rid of, like this item is from Old Navy, and it's got some, whoop, it's got some glue on it, and Pickles has been biting it, and it's got little holes, and it's time for me to get rid of a bunch of stuff in my wardrobe and refresh some items. So I'm going to get to unpacking what I got in each item and hanging them up, and then we can go over what they are. So as I was taking them out of the bag, this little card came out, and it said basically love at first unboxing. And I got 2 of them in the Surprise Me and only 1 in the other one, but not ready for your happily ever after. Scratch this card to reveal heart-stopping savings on your next order with us. So we'll see what savings it arrives afterwards. But at first glance, the colors in the Surprise Me are up my alley. So I grab the first thing here. It's a kind of a hunter green kind of color, and let's see if it tells me what the item is. It doesn't. It looks like pants. Yeah. Let's open it up. I got size extra large this time because 2022 was not kind to me. I was not the healthiest, so I put on a little bit of weight, and yeah. Although these seem really oversized for what's happening. Push-on Xinsheng Textile Co. is what it's saying, but it's not telling me what they are. So it's a kind of a crepey fabric, and I'm not the biggest fan of this style of pant. It's a pull-on waist, but they're way too long. I'm really short. I'm 5'4", so even when I put them on, I would walk on the length. So they're about 5 inches too long. I'll have to have them hemmed, and that's what happened last year too. A pair of pants came in and they were way too long. So That would have to go to my seamstress to get hemmed. So that's a little disappointing, but at least it's not a bad color. All right, so the next one here, core leggings. At least this one has a sticker that tells me what it is, core leggings. So I don't know what the other one was. So these are leggings in a really nice abstract print, so I like that. They're kind of army green tone, so not my first pick as far as colors go. I usually just wear black, but I won't shy away from wearing these. So really, really soft. And normally in like leggings and things like that, go more of a 2022. So these are, I think, 26s. So a little bit oversized, which is fine. Not bad. So that's exceedingly better. And then we've got some type of zippered item. So I will look up what these items all are, what their normal price is, and they end up being about $33 a piece in this box. Looks like a hoodie. Yeah, hoodie. Really soft knit. It's tagless. So really like that. Made in Peru. Really soft. Pockets. Nice. So I'm really excited. I really like that. So 2 out of 3 are winners. All right, so moving on to the essential tees. And there's already one in here. I know I would never wear that middle one, but the other 2 are fine. So again, same little card. So we've got a gray, it looks like swoop neck, I want to call it poo green V-neck. It's not bad, it's just not my, I think it makes me look dead, that kind of tone. And then a extra large tencel regular tee on there. So let me unpack those and put them on hangers, and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so 2 of the 3 are long sleeve, and they all have different necklines. So this one's kind of a strange squared off kind of I don't even know how to call that. So it's not quite a boat neck, but an interesting cut. So I like that, but still and straight sleeves down here. So I like that one. It's a very soft fabric. This one, do not love the color at all, but I mean, it's not horrible, but I don't think I have anything that matches it. I might have one skirt that has this tone and part of the floral that I can match it to, but for the most part, this is going to be hard to work into my wardrobe, but it's probably going to be fine for around the house. So there's that one, and then this one, the green, I was quite excited about, has this interesting kind of ribbed texture to it. You can see it a little bit better through there, kind of thin, but your regular t-shirt feel to it. Very fluid, really nice. So even though they're long sleeve, this one especially, this being long sleeve, because of the way it's woven, I could still wear it throughout some of the warmer months and probably feel fine, especially with AC. I'd really enjoy wearing that, but I could probably put this on, you know, tomorrow. It's going to be in the mid 40s to 50s this week, and probably feel comfortable with a jacket on it. So I'm actually quite pleased with the majority of it. Oh, you know what? I was just thinking. Nope, different tone. I was like, I thought maybe it matched the lighter tone in that, but nope, it's still an off color for it. Close enough. Probably can get away with it. So Pickles is starting to eat the paper that came in here, so I'm gonna clean up my mess here. So I'm not gonna try them on because they're just t-shirts and leggings basically. So once the green pants, if I choose to hem them, come back from the seamstress, I might just try to sell them on ThreadUp or something like that and get rid of them because again, the fabric's not a fabric I would normally wear. And I hate to spend the money. I mean, it's only like 10 bucks, but spend the money to get them hemmed when someone else could probably use them who has the height, and make it useful for someone else who could use it for work. I don't, work at the house anymore, so it's not really useful for me to take it and go, although it would go really well with this, with this shirt. It's kind of funny how I ordered them several days apart, but the colors seem to go together that they picked out for both my mystery boxes. So mystery bags. So overall, 2 out of 3 in each, and not completely disappointed, but I will continue to do the mystery bags every year when they offer them in moderation, because I'm not getting completely hitting them out of the park. But so far, I really do enjoy their products, and I think they're worth it, at least at this price point for sure. I'm not sure I would pay the full price for them, although I really do appreciate their mission, what they're doing, and making all sizes, basically making it easy for anybody to wear, comfy fashion. So that's what I got. So see y'all next time.